Good morning, student. Today in gravitation, we will derive an expression for gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy, consider a system of two objects. हमने एक सिस्टम माना है जिसमें ना दो ऑब्जेक्ट है. मास ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इज m1, मास ऑफ सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज m2. They are placed at a distance r. We have to calculate gravitational potential energy of this system. Gravitational potential energy is, let it be infinity. हमने इसको क्या मान लिया? Infinity. Distance is infinity. We have to bring an object. If two objects are placed at a distance r from each other, then they will attract each other. We suppose that this m2 mass, object of mass m2 is at infinity, and we have to bring m2 from infinity to point this one which is at a distance r from m1. m1 is at point A, m2 is at point B. We have to bring it from infinity. For that, we consider intermediate point C. Consider intermediate point C at any arbitrary point C. So, consider a system of two particles m1 and m2 situated at a distance r from each other. Consider object of mass m2 is at any arbitrary point or any point C at a distance x from m1. हमने ना ये जो पॉइंट माना है वो कितने डिस्टेंस पर माना है? एट ए डिस्टेंस x. Force acting on particle is F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, means distance is x का square. work done in small displacement. Small displacement is dx. यहाँ से हमने ये डिस्टेंस जो है स्मॉल डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमने माना है dx. Now work done will be dw is equals to force into displacement into cos 0. F equal to वैल्यू का सब्स्टिट्यूशन m1 m2 upon x square. cos 0 is sorry, dx cos 0 is 1. This is dw. So total work done in bringing object from infinity to distance r, is total work done is w integration infinity से r, and work done is g m1 m2 upon x square into dx. W is equals to g m1 m2 constant outside, limit infinity to r, 1 upon x square dx. W equal to g m1 m2 1 upon x square का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस 1 by x, लिमिट infinity to r. W equal to g m1 m2, substitution of the limit, first upper limit minus sign, then lower limit, or W is equals to g m1 m2 minus 1 upon r. 1 upon infinity is 0, minus minus plus 0. So W equal to minus g m1 m2 upon r. Now this work is stored. So therefore gravitational potential energy, which is U, is equal to minus g m1 m2 upon r. This is the final answer. Clear? We have to derive an expression for gravitational potential energy. We have considered a system of two particles, m1 and m2, placed at a distance r. For calculation of the gravitational potential energy, we have to determine the work done in bringing particle having mass m2 from infinity to required point. First, we have considered any arbitrary point. Any arbitrary point is at a distance x from point A. Force acting at this point is g m1 m2 upon x square. For small displacement, work done is f dx into cos 0. Put the values and we get dw. Now total work done is we have to bring particle from infinity to the required point. Total integration infinity to required point r. Put the values, simplify. g m1 m2 is constant outside, 1 upon x square dx. 1 upon x square का integration is minus का 1 by x. Limit, on substituting the limits we get final answer as w is equals to minus g m1 m2 upon r. Now this work is stored in the form of the energy called gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is denoted by U. So U is equals to minus g m1 m2 upon r. Clear? Now in next class we will do expression for the change in the gravitational potential energy. Thank you.